Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will be making very soft, very fluffy and instant idli recipe that is made out of rava. So let's begin with the recipe. For making rava idli, in a bowl I am taking 1 cup of rava. Into this I am adding half cup of curd. Also I am adding half a cup of water. Goes in half teaspoon of salt, and now I'm going to mix this well. And here you can see the batter is thick now. So I'm adding some more water. Add water gradually. We have to make a lump free smooth batter. Still the batter is very thick, so I'm adding some more water. The batter should not be very thin or very thick. It should be of medium consistency, like you can see now. And now we will add tempering to this, and for that in a pan I am taking 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, I am adding half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, a pinch of hing or asafoetida, few curry leaves and some chopped cashews. Now mix this well and switch off the flame. Add the tempering to the batter and mix this very well. So I am adding some more water, just little. And now our batter is ready. You can see its consistency should be like this. So it's ready now. Now we're going to cover this and let this rest for around 35 to 40 minutes. And after 40 minutes we will check our batter. And by the time it's resting, in a large vessel I am adding 2 glasses of water. And now I'm going to cover this and let it come to a boil on medium flame. And here the batter is also ready. You can see the suji has absorbed all the water. Now I am going to grease the idli molds. So I am adding just little oil in all the molds. So our molds are ready now. Just before making idli, I am adding 1 teaspoon of Eno fruit salt and just 1 tablespoon of water, and give this a good mix. Do not over mix the batter. Just mix this in one direction, and see the consistency of the batter is perfect. So now we will add this batter to the idli mold. Don't fill the mold completely. It should be filled just 3/4 of the batter, and tap this to avoid any air bubbles. So they are done now, and just I'm locking this. And we will steam this on medium flame for about 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes we will check on our idlis. Here 15 minutes are over, and now I am going to take my idlis out. Do this thing carefully. So it has been cooked well. To check whether it has been cooked well or not, insert a knife inside the idli, and if it's coming clean, that means it's ready. So remove the mold, and when the idli cools down, demold them. So with the help of a knife or a spoon, just scrape the sides, and idlis will come out in your hand. You can see how soft it's looking, very spongy and very fluffy idli. And similarly we will remove all the idlis from the molds. So I have removed all the idlis from the molds, and they are looking absolutely nice. They are very soft, very fluffy. Let me show you how soft they have been prepared. You can see it's very nice, and it's very instant to prepare. So enjoy this recipe with coconut chutney, peanut chutney or kara chutney, or any chutney of your choice. You can enjoy this recipe in lunch, dinner or breakfast anytime. So give this recipe a try. This is very easy and quick to prepare, and if you like this video, Do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my latest upcoming videos.